Hi, I hope everything is great. This is Tyler with Quality Water Treatment, and thank you for checking out our Wisdom Water Analysis System. We are happy to be your quality water consultant, and we just wanted to highlight a couple of items on your Wisdom Analysis report for you since it contains a lot of great information. Your Wisdom report analyzes data from government and local agencies. Our proprietary algorithm will make educated recommendations based on your specific water quality data. Some key factors include your water hardness, the number of people who live in your home, the number of bathrooms you have in your home, and the overall quality of your well water source. With water hardness, it's easily visible when you see the white water spots. Hardness is the amount of dissolved minerals, typically calcium and magnesium, in your water. Hardness is measured as GPG, or grains per gallon. We want to see a hardness level of 5 GPG or less. If you have 6 GPG or more, it is considered hard water, and you'll see all of the negative issues that accompany hard water. If you have cloudiness or discoloration in your water, there are 3 main things that can cause discoloration or cloudiness in your water. The number 1 cause generally is iron. The second one is sedimentation in your water, and the third cause is having a lot of tannins in your water. Before finalizing any water treatment recommendations, we will reach out to you with our specialists to help narrow down the cause of your cloudy water. If you live near a farm, ranch, livestock, or agriculture facility, you'll want to pay attention to your water quality as well. These types of operations can affect your well water quality with additional additives and chemical pollutants that they may be using. These pollutants can seep into the ground and ultimately into your well water. Agricultural water can be unsafe. Some farms use water that is actually treated wastewater from wastewater plants, and there could be an accumulation of microbiological and chemical pollutants in your well water. Pollutants that they use for crops include pesticides, herbicides, and other additives. With ranches, the livestock can elevate the nitrate levels in your well water. You can either get a comprehensive water lab analysis to check your water, which is quite expensive, or we recommend using a drinking water purification system, like a quality reverse osmosis filter. Adding on a purification system will also protect you and your family of any changes to your well water quality in the future. Also, we recommend everyone to get their well water tested every 5 years. It's smart. Getting a baseline of your water quality will help determine the best solutions to provide you and your family with great quality water. The EPA recommends that private well water be tested for water quality indicators and contaminants such as fecal, coliform, nitrates, and VOCs. If you have excessive sulfur in your water, it's easily identified with that strong rotten egg smell. The sulfur can either be removed with a quality advanced KDF filter or an iron filter. Besides the unattractive smell of rotten eggs, sulfur can also cause both diarrhea and dehydration. On top of all of that, long-term exposure and high levels of sulfur will also damage your plumbing. If you have a high level of manganese in the water, you can recognize it where you see black stains in your toilet bowl, dishwasher, and washing machine. Manganese is a substance that is not prevalent in most well water, but every once in a while you'll run across a well that does have manganese in it. Manganese will wreak havoc on most filter media out there if it's high enough, and it's difficult to remove in comparison to removing iron. Excessive manganese is one of the main issues that we look for since it is a health concern. It's linked to many neurological issues, especially in children and elderly people. We can correct this with a quality iron filter. Regarding your pH levels, pH runs on a scale between 5.5 and 9. This scale represents acidic, neutral, and alkaline water. 7 is neutral, and above 7 is alkaline water. So anywhere from 7 to 9 is actually really a good level for pH. Acidic water is corrosive to anything that it touches. Metal, including your copper plumbing, galvanized plumbing, faucets, hot water heaters, and so on. Acidic water is also corrosive to any rubbers that it comes in contact with. So it's very important to raise the pH up with your water if it is below 7. A quality calcite pH neutralizer filter can raise your pH levels up to resolve this acidity problem. If your well water has a high iron content, which is anything over 3 milligrams per liter, we would recommend using a quality iron filter to bring it down. High iron is common with well water systems. For proper backwashing operations, it is very important to measure your pump's effective flow rate. Fortunately, this is easily measured by only using a typical 5-gallon bucket. We have instructions on our website, and if you need any more information, please let us know. When selecting your new system on the product page, just select the appropriate pump flow rate to get the right system size. Our Wisdom Analysis takes all of the information and water quality data to recommend a specific softener, capacity size, and possible treatment filters. The softener size is measured in GPG to help remove the water hardness minerals. Sizes vary from 24,000 to 80,000 GPG. Wisdom recommends the best softener to meet your daily requirements, optimizing for the highest efficiency. We carry a very wide assortment so that you get the best value for your needs. If your well water needs additional water treatment like an iron filter or pH neutralizer, our Wisdom Report will recommend the most efficient system package for your needs. The total solution will work together to provide you and your family with top quality water. The SoftPro Elite has been our best-selling system year after year. This is by far our customers' favorite to get an amazing soft water. What I like best about it is that it's very user-friendly and packed with great features. The SoftPro includes a lifetime warranty on the valve and the tank, and that is an industry best. And best of all, the SoftPro Elite will save your back, literally. What we mean by this is that most softeners use traditional technology that typically requires you to pour in 1 to 5 bags of salt each and every month. Now, that's not a lot of fun to go out and buy and lug 40 pounds in bags of salt every month. So instead of pouring in heavy bags of salt every month, the high-efficiency SoftPro Elite will last you 3 to 4 months before you need to worry about adding any more salt. That saves your back from lifting an extra 2,800 pounds of salt each year and not having to pay for all that extra salt. This is why myself and our customers love the SoftPro system. Especially in well water applications, we highly recommend the SoftPro Alkalizing Reverse Osmosis Purification System. For amazing, healthy, clean drinking and cooking water, the advanced reverse osmosis filtration with alkalizing treatment delivers exceptional high-quality drinking water. The RO filters out just about everything from your drinking water, including harmful viruses like hepatitis A and COVID. It also removes almost all heavy metals and neurotoxins like lead and mercury. Common chemical contaminants such as nitrates and fluoride are also filtered out from your drinking water. A favorite feature of mine is that this RO system is specifically designed with an alkalizing filter. The alkalizing filter neutralizes acidic water by raising the pH of your water to a level of 8. Reducing acidity makes your water healthier and taste better. The RO system is placed under your kitchen sink and uses a separate, dedicated drinking water faucet. Just fill your water bottle with clean, alkalized water and go. You can also connect your ice maker so that your ice cubes are clean and healthy as well. Again, with the uniqueness of private well water, live bacteria and microorganisms do exist in the well water, and this requires proper disinfection treatment. The Viqua ultraviolet water purification system is the most effective method for disinfecting bacteria from the water. This whole house UV disinfection system will destroy 99.99% of harmful bacteria and microorganisms, and best of all, this disinfects without adding any chemicals or degrading your water's taste or odor. Again, if you have any questions, we are here to help. Quality Water Treatment has been helping clients for over 30 years, so if you need help deciding what system works best for you, or you need any support after your purchase, we'll be here. Text, email, or give us a call, just let us know. And we're also happy to shoot another video for you to answer any questions that you might have. Again, my name is Tyler. Have a wonderful day.